Hey, Ali Mitchell here, and today I want to show you how you can be clear and bright on screen, whether you are video conferencing, doing a webinar, whether you're chairing a meeting, because psychologists will tell you that our brain uses a mix of our senses, seeing and hearing, to create our conscious experience of the world. So you don't want your message to be impacted or to be diminished in any way because of the way you look on screen. You've probably been on calls where you can't see people because they look like this. So I'm going to address that, and thanks for all the messages via LinkedIn or through my website. It's quite impossible to sort of address everything. I might need to do some bespoke sessions maybe, which is fine. But so today it's just going to be about lighting. Now, where I sit in my living room, I've got a large window to the side of me here, so it's a large light source. Now, I'm not someone that has a space where I've got a large window where I can put my desk in front of the window and have all that light coming front ways on, which is ideal. So instead, I've got to contend with this light from the side. Look what happens if I do this. I've got a light source over here to try and balance out the light coming from this side, so I'm much better lit. Now, it's not too bad at the moment, but later in the afternoon, I've been on some calls where really this side of my face is sort of blinded by the sun almost, and this side is very shaded. You want to be well lit so your face is clear, people can see your expressions, people can engage, they're not distracted by anything else. So let me tell you about this light. Right, this is a 10-inch LED ring light. Readily available, get them off the internet, go shopping on Amazon, 20 or 30 pounds. There's a lot of different types. I particularly like this one because it powers off USB, so this cable is going directly either into my laptop or into a phone charger. This one I can also adjust the strength of the light, or indeed the tone of the light, the warmth of the light. So if I switch it on, I can choose between a cooler light or a very warm light. So I can go for more of a daylight type light. I can also adjust the strength of the light, so I can make it brighter. This one I think goes up to about 10 watts, which is fine for close-up work. I mean, again, you can get stronger, bigger, brighter, more expensive lights. What's good about this one also is that it comes with this adapter. So you can have that front-on light if you're not using your laptop, if you want to record straight into your phone. This just screws into the center of the lamp like this. And yeah, you can then put your phone in the holder. You've got that front-facing light coming directly into your face. You'll be evenly lit. Hey presto, you'll look better, you'll sound better, your message will be heard much better. Like, comment, subscribe. I've done 3 now. This is fun. But yeah, let me know if these are helping. I really hope they are.